Hi mga boss! Welcome to my channel, Sheila TV8. Kumain na kayo? Kung hindi pa, simulan niyo munang kumain para may energy kayo. Joke lang. Well, kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano kayo mag-check ng inyong time and yung subscriber, or how you will check your revenue, your WH, and your subscriber. For example, this one, we go to our YT studio. See? You will check, or you can see here in our YT studio this one example, your number of subscriber. And your watch time is only this one. But this is not the real watch time, or this is just counting for 28 days in your watch time or watch hour here in YouTube. So we will check now where you can look the full watch time here in your YouTube account. So just tuning in. But first, if you're new to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you will be uploaded or you will be updated if I uploaded new videos. And if you have comments or suggestion, you can add in our comment section below so I can answer or I can respond to all your comments. And kindly like and share my blog, please, for your support. Thank you very much. And now let's go to our Google account or Google Chrome. Here, welcome to my Google account or Google Chrome. So all you need to do first is to click the desktop side, of course, and then log in your account. This one, your face, log in here your account. After that, click this one, the YouTube. And then why this one not in desktop side? So click this one in desktop side. After that, go now here on the top. Here I put circle your profile, photo profile. Just click this one and then go to your channel. Don't forget your channel. See, you can see here your channel. After that, customize channel. And then here down, here I put red mark. And then continue to studio. Just wait for a while. After you continue your studio, here now your profile. Welcome to my profile. Not your profile, but this is my profile. So have a look on my profile. Now you can see here your channel dashboard. No, not this one. So click the another one, the second one. So analytics. This one, all your channel analytics, but not this one also. You cannot find this one here. And then we go to the third one. The third one is your channel playlist. See, channel playlist. This one you can choose your, or you can see your playlist, your channel playlist. On then not this one we're looking, and then we go to the fourth one. Analytics. And then here you can see your channel analytics. All the channel analytics you've got. You can see this one here. And then which one, what we're looking for, we click this one. This one, channel subtitles, not this one we're looking. So I make this one a little tour for you on how you can see your full revenue. So not this one you can see this one, copyright. If you see any copyright on your YouTube channel, you can see this one, but not this one also, but that this one. We have also this one, the channel customization. We have channel customization, not this one, of course. We have also the music auto library, of course, not this one. So where can we find this one, the full revenue? Of course, don't forget this one, our dollar sign. This one, you can see your full revenue. Just click this one. Here it was, your full revenue. You can see here 110 subscriber and have 1027 public watch hour. So I'm not yet monetized because I'm not completed my WH. For your help, if you watch my videos, then absolutely it will burst to reach my WH. That's it. Very easy and very simple on how you will choose or how you will look your full revenue in your YouTube account. Just that one. Thank you so much for watching. See you around. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. And this is Sheila always saying, your special shine like a star. And don't forget to smile on your face. God bless. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Just thinking, if you want to know, if you want to learn more, or I missed something, I forgot to tell, well, it's time for you to research and explore inside your YouTube account using your Google Chrome or any Chrome you're using, or you're using Opera Mini. I'm not an expert, or I'm just only a human committed mistake. Search and welcome to my channel, Sheila TV 8. Tap my photos. You can choose here upstairs the videos, and you can see all the videos I uploaded. Example, this one, the first one, we click this one. And then if you have comments and suggestion, you can put down here in our comment section below, so I can answer all your question. And then kindly like my blog here in our like. After that, subscribe. Just click here the subscribe button, and then bell all. Click this one, the bell all bell, so you will be notified for my upcoming videos. And for your support, kindly click share and send to news feeds like that, and then you can put now in your news feeds. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.